Smooth Love Elixir cost gauges for the years 2023, 2025, 2030 in an unpretentious way. We here will give you the 10 years nitty-gritty cost expectations for Smooth Love Mixture. The Smooth Love Elixir has rapidly, in every practical sense, acquired truly extraordinary consideration that crypto financial backers are interested in looking through the inquiries like. For the most part, is Smooth Love Mixture a wise venture? Is SLP especially worth purchasing in 2023? What will sort of be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025, and 2030? How high can Smooth Love Mixture go in an unobtrusive manner? Our aid will really provide you with a thought of the Smooth Love Mixture expected development and its cost expectation, all from profound specialized examination to central past cost outlines. Or so they thought. Smooth Love Mixture past value investigation. As per the most recent market information, today the cost of especially Smooth Love Mixture is $0. SLP explicitly is as of now basically position number 538 in the exceptionally whole crypto market. The core supply of SLP is 5,375,374,133 with a market cap of $28,705,703 and for the most part most recent 24 hours, which is very critical, with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Smooth Love Elixir's cost explicitly has shown a decent increment of 1.46% as of now. Smooth Love Elixir sort of is as yet confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins on the lookout. The SLP generally is down to nearly 47.74% over the most recent 7 days. The coin by and large is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for in every practical sense, recent days. The coin could have areas of strength for really in any case. We don't for the most part believe that it would a productive resource in present moment, notwithstanding. After the contrasting the ongoing cost worth and recent days cost history, it is seen that for the most part Smooth Love Elixir has expanded 40.13% in its cost esteem. The truly normal lease cost for the 1 month is $0. Most extreme sort of normal cost was $0. This infers that this coin is a reasonable resource and another expansion to especially your arrangement of coins for most certainly long haul. The 90 days cost change is around 59.23% and the cost commonly coursed from a base pretty typical worth of $0, most extreme especially normal worth of $0 the beyond 90 days. In most recent 4 months Smooth Love Mixture especially has shown a developing pattern. In this manner, we especially feel that comparable pieces of the market certainly were very famous at that period. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Smooth Love Elixir by and large is expanded from 4 months, in spite of prevalent thinking. The exchanging volume comprises an imperative job in its cost in a significant manner. The coin for the most part is up by 53.05% with the sort of greatest truly normal cost of the coin was around $0. The genuinely least typical value of was around $0 beyond 4 months. Smooth Love Elixir value conjecture for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2030. We anticipate future SLP cost expectation. Smooth Love Mixture gauges by applying profound counterfeit learning specialized investigation on the authentic value information of certainly Smooth Love Mixture in spite of mainstream thinking. We give our all to truly gather greatest authentic information for the SLP coin which incorporate actually numerous elements like commonly past value, market cap, volume and significantly more. Assuming you are looking to buy and large put resources into digital money market, in a real sense try to peruse our forecast. Smooth Love Mixture value expectation for 2023 as per our estimate. In 2023 the cost of essentially Smooth Love Elixir is supposed to sort of reach at a by and large least value level of $0, or so they thought. The SLP cost can arrive at a most extreme worth of $0, the typical exchanging cost of $0. Smooth Love Mixture value expectation for 2024 according to the conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the cost of really Smooth Love Elixir is in a real sense anticipated to especially reach at an exceptionally least worth of $0. The SLP cost can arrive at a really greatest degree of 1 cent with the kind of typical exchanging cost of $0. Smooth Love Elixir value gauge 2025 to 2026. The cost of Smooth Love Mixture especially is really anticipated to sort of reach at any rate level of 1 cent in 2025. The especially Smooth Love Elixir cost can generally arrive at a very most extreme degree of 1 cent with the typical cost of 1 cent all through 2025. The cost of Smooth Love Elixir is in a real sense anticipated to really reach at least degree of 1 cent in 2026, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The for the most part Smooth Love Elixir cost can arrive at a greatest degree of 2 cents with the genuinely normal cost of 1 cent all through 2026. SLP value expectation for 2027 Smooth Love Elixir cost is figured to arrive at a least degree of 2 cents in 2027. according to our discoveries. The SLP cost could arrive at a greatest degree of 2 cents with the genuinely normal conjecture cost of 2 cents. SLP value expectation for 2028 as per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of SLP. In 2028, the cost of smooth love mixture is gauged to explicitly be at around an extremely least worth of 3 cents. The kind of smooth love elixir value worth can truly arrive at an especially limit of 4 cents with the typical exchanging worth of 3 cents in USD in a very large way. Smooth love elixir value expectation for 2029. The cost of one fundamentally smooth love mixture is supposed to reach at the very least degree of 5 cents in 2029, which is genuinely huge. The SLP cost can for the most part arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of 0.062 with the typical cost of 5 cents all through 2029. Smooth love mixture value expectation. Estimate for 2030 according to the gauge and exceptionally profound specialized examination. In 2030, the cost of fundamentally smooth love elixir most certainly is supposed to basically reach at least value worth of 7 cents. The SLP cost can arrive at an extremely greatest value worth of 8 cents with the typical worth of 7 cents. Smooth love elixir value expectation for 2031. The cost of smooth love mixture generally is supposed to especially reach at any rate worth of 10 cents in 2031, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The sort of smooth love elixir cost could arrive at a greatest worth of 13 cents with the genuinely normal exchanging cost of 11 cents all through 2031 in a significant manner. Smooth love elixir value expectation for 2032. Fundamentally smooth love mixture cost is gauged to for the most part arrive at a scarcely the least conceivable degree of 15 cents in 2032. According to our discoveries, the SLP cost could arrive at a greatest sort of conceivable degree of 18 cents with the typical figure cost of 15 cents. What is the smooth love mixture cost today, which is very huge? Today the cost of smooth love elixir is 0.005 with the market cap of 28,705,703.000. What will generally be the SLP essentially the most noteworthy truly anticipated cost for 2023? The most elevated gauge cost for SLP generally is supposed to arrive at a greatest worth of $0 the finish of 2023, which generally is very critical. What will especially be the smooth love elixir in a real sense the most noteworthy sort of anticipated cost for 2024 amazingly? In a real sense, the most elevated determined cost for SLP generally is supposed to sort of arrive at a greatest worth of $0 the finish of 2024, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. How high can smooth cherish mixture go? The very normal cost of SLP could especially reach to $0 the current years over in a significant manner. Assuming we gauge the 5-year value, it is assessed that the coin will effectively essentially come to the 2 cents mark, which is genuinely critical. How much will essentially smooth love elixir be worth in 2030 in an unobtrusive way? As far as cost esteem, SLP sort of has an extraordinary for the most part potential to reach new ATHs in a significant manner explicitly. It truly is